Q4 for 2017 was a missed opportunity for us.
We've learned to basically better forecast.
The first part of 2017, we had a great year, and it pretty much blew out our inventory. During the period of ramping inventory back up for holiday, we missed the boat with Amazon in particular because we couldn't get enough inventory shipped by the cutoff date. But we did learn a lot of lessons from that time period.
Hi, my name is Billy Thompson, co-founder of the Thompson Tee.
My name is Randy Choi. Thompson Tee is a sweat-proof undershirt made here in the USA.
From November to December, we experienced a 23% increase in our sales due to the holiday selling season. Probably no other time are people spending the kind of money they are during the holidays.
Selling on Amazon during the holiday has had a massive impact for us.
Amazon represents about 45% of our business, and pre-FBA versus post-FBA, we've experienced about a 260% increase in our sales. And we totally expect that trend to continue, in particular with our Amazon international channels.
This year, what we're doing different in preparation for holiday sale is, number one, we are investing a lot more money in the ad space and the promotions that we got going on. Number two, we've increased our bandwidth for customer support. And then most importantly, we'll be working on our inventory and our forecast to make sure we get all this into Amazon FBA on time and to get to our customers.